Alright, kind of a unboxing, but this is from nobody from YouTube. I ordered this. And I know what it is, of course, because I paid for it. But I lost the, I did have one guinea left. And it's kind of a chicken guinea update. And she finally gave up on the eggs. They wasn't hatching. So she started sleeping on top of the pen again. And she got took. So this is a little late. I should have done this before. I got me a game camera, a trail camera, whatever you call it. And all the birds I have now will be they're locked up at night. I'm not too worried about them getting took. But and I wish I should have done this beforehand and at least figured out a pattern or something like that. Whatever it is, I mean, it may be just raccoons. Getting my birds, and I'll do a little review of this later. Let's see how it works. It's a Primus, however they pronounce it. Truth Cam 35. It's not 35 millimeters. It's got 35 infrared LEDs is where they come up with that. So it's got night vision. Has different modes. I don't think it does video. It may do video, or at least, yeah, video. Anyway, but it'll tell you the time, the date, pictures were took, put a date stamp on them, and it's supposed to be real simple to use. Yeah, just got some, I didn't get one that you had to go through a lot of programming. This one just got switches on it, so. Yeah, you can make it do video or photos. So I'm gonna put this out and see if I can't get an idea of what's going after my girls. Like I said, they're locked up now. I'm not real worried about them, but I would still like to know what's getting them. And I had to look through instructions and figure this out. But anyway, I want to do a little surveillance on the critters around here. So, and forgive me, I'm dirty as all get out. I've been working on my truck. I tuned it up, did a rear brake job, fuel filter, air filter, you know, the whole 9 yards. And anyway, so I just got this in the UPS guy just delivered this while I was working on my truck. So thought I'd get it out, look at it, play with my new toy, see if I can figure out exactly what's going after my birds. Anyway, we'll do a little chicken update on my Sorry, I know it's noisy. These things have gotten huge. Well, you know, for little chicks. Hey, little babies. Getting fat. They're getting fat. They really are growing fast. They come running though, cause well, about every time I come in here I'm giving them food, so they get used to that. See that? Yeah. What you got? They doing good. They locked up tight. I'm not worried about them. like I say, all the 7 birds I got left now, they're all locked up at night, so I'm still just curious of what's coming after them, what time it's coming after them, so I might can do a little night hunt. Anyway, here's a new little hens I got. Well, they're not little, they're full grown. They're doing good. There's Charlie. Me and him just had a little heart-to-heart. He was trying to kick at me, and I just walked him down, grabbed him by the neck, and held him down, and explained how I will have him for dinner if he don't quit. He ain't tried to come after me since. That'll last a few days. He don't have a good memory. Anyway, just a little kind of a chicken update. A new toy to play with. Here's a girl. Go ahead, one more time, Charlie. Oh, you ain't gonna do it now?